tiny droplets, breaks up into 27 tiny droplets. So initial radius R1 is equal to capital D by 2. Number of droplets, it is 27. If the surface tension of liquid, is T is equal to sigma, and the resulting change in energy, we want resulting change in energy, means we want E2 minus E1. Why it is so? Because when a bigger drop breaks into n drops, then energy is released. So we want to find out what is the resulting change in energy. So if capital R is the radius of bigger drop, capital R is the radius of bigger drop, then and small r is the radius of smaller drop, then we know that capital R, that is large, radius of large drop is equal to n raised to 1 by 3 into small r, or capital R is equal to, here how many drops are there? 27 drops are there. 27 times R, 27 raised to 1 by 3 times R, but 27 can be written as 3 cube. So 3 cube raised to 1 by 3 into small r, or it is equal to 3 into small r. So radius of bigger drop is equal to 3 times radius of a smaller drop. Now initial radius of a bigger drop E1 is equal to 4 pi, radius of bigger drop is r square, into surface tension is sigma, 4 pi r square into sigma. Now that radius r is equal to d by 2, so this is equal to 4 pi, radius r is d by 2 whole square into sigma, that is equal to 4 pi d square divided by 4 into sigma. This 4 get cancelled with 4, so it is pi d square sigma. This is the initial energy. Now the final energy, because that single drop, it breaks into 27 smaller droplets. So final energy is equal to number of droplets multiplied by volume of each droplet, multiplied by energy of each droplet. So it is 4 pi into small r square into sigma. This is the energy of each of a small drop. So that is equal to number of droplets, they are 27 into 4 pi into, now small r is equal to capital R by 3, because capital R is equal to 3r, therefore small r is equal to r by 3. So into, now r square means it is capital R by 3 whole square into sigma, or it is equal to 27 into 4 pi into r square divided by 3 square, means it is 9 into sigma. So 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27. So 4 into 3, that is 12 pi r square into sigma. 12 pi r square into sigma. Now put the value of r is equal to d by 2. Put the value of r is equal to what? R is equal to d by 2. So this is 12 pi into, now capital D by 2 whole square into sigma, or it is equal to 12 pi into d square divided by 4 into sigma. 4 ones are 4 threes are, so this is equal to 3 pi d square into sigma. Initial energy is pi d square into sigma, final energy is 3 pi d square into sigma. So therefore that change in energy, resulting change in energy E2 minus of E1 is equal to 3 pi d square sigma minus of pi d square sigma. It means it is 2 pi d square sigma. So change in energy is 2 pi d square sigma. So out of 4 options, which option is correct? Option C is the correct option for this question.